What if I told you you can take your plain product image and turn it into stunning marketing creative like this without even touching Photoshop? All thanks to OpenAI Image 1 model for making this possible. And today we are going to build a fully automated marketing asset generator powered by this game-changing tech using make.com. So here is how it works. You fill out a simple form, upload your product image, and boom, within 1 minute, your high quality marketing asset is ready. No more writing long prompts or fiddling with design tools every single time. So without wasting any time, let's build this and see how this can be a game changer for creators, marketers, and e-commerce businesses. So let's go. Okay, so before we move into this, let's see what we are actually going to use and let's compare this with DALL-E 3 and DALL-E 2. So as you can see, the performance has increased by a lot. Then the speed has of course decreased. So yeah, this is an interesting thing you can note. So in this we can input text as well as an image, so that's why it's possible to basically like have a plain product image and turn it into a marketing creative. So we are basically going to use this feature. So the endpoint which we are going to use is the v1 images and edits. So let's go ahead and build this. So the first thing which we are going to do is build a form. So I've already created one form. I'm just going to add something to it. So yeah, this is how this form looks like. One thing which I have to add is I will add a short answer over here, and this should be to describe the product. Yeah, I mean this field can be useful to basically like have a better output. So yeah, this is how this looks like, and hit publish and let's preview this. So yeah, this is how our form looks like. So we have a field for the product, then we have the product title or the name of the product, then we have a field to upload image, design theme, aspect ratio. So we have some options over here. Then for design theme we have some options, and we can describe our product over here. And yeah, this is pretty much our form. So now let's move on to make.com. So yeah, this is our make.com. Let's search for the tally module, watch new responses, and let's create a new hook and select our form. Where did our form go? Yeah, this one is our form, and hit on save. And so let's run this and let's go to our form. So this is our form. Click on share, copy the link, and we're gonna put this link over here and put the product name. I mean the product, we have it as a perfume. The product title will be, let's say, Mahal. Let's upload an image. So yeah, let's take this image. Then what we have is the design theme. Let's keep it luxury. Let's keep this, and let's write blah blah. Okay, yeah, it's running. Let's click on submit. Okay, so we have our response over here. As you can see, in uploaded image we have the link to the image. Then in design theme we have luxury and aspect ratio. As you can see, the description of the product, we have it as like this. So yeah, the next thing would be to download this image. So the model, the module which we are going to add is get a file. So we just have to map this URL from here. So as you can see, we have mapped the URL. So this should be downloading this. So let's copy this and click on copy. Let's click on run once and Let's add this and see if we can fetch the image. And yeah, we have the data in this format. So yeah, the next thing is the main thing, which is going to basically it's a prompt generator for the image API. So we are going to be using a chat completion model or the chat completion module. I don't know like why I'm saying model every time, but yeah, module. Then we select the model as GPT 4.1. Should we go with this one? I mean, let's go with GPT 4.1. I mean, let's do it. In message, let's select this and let's write our prompt. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm done with the prompt. So the prompt looks something like this. I will share this prompt with you. So I have made it very specific for watches, perfumes, bath and beauty products, because like they are I mean, whenever they are like captured, they are captured in a very similar way. I mean, you can be as like broad as you want, but yeah, I would recommend you to be like more specific about the product. You can also like add some guidelines as per your brand's image or your brand's theme. You can do a bunch of things. So this is basically like our generator or the prompt generator for the image API, because we cannot like simply write I mean like give the product name, design style, aspect ratio and the product info to the image API and have a good looking image. Like it can be anything random. So I have also mentioned like few things, such as like for perfume it should use props like ice, citrus slices, botanicals, water droplets. For bath and beauty it should use shampoo, body bubbles, orchid petals and smooth stones, palm leaves, water ripples, and etc. For watches, it can use flower, fabrics, crystals, metallic shards. So yeah, I mean, you can customize this prompt as per your product. There is no like hard and fast rule, but it should be like more specific towards your product rather than like writing it for like a bunch of products. You can like specify which type of product you generally are going to be feeding to the system. So yeah, I mean, this is the prompt. Then yeah, this one is for the input. So as we are like dynamically getting the product name from our form, so this is the product name, the product type, or which is like, okay, I'm gonna remove this. Yeah, so this is our product type. Then we have design style, so which is the options which we had for the design style. Then we have the aspect ratio, then the product info. So yeah, pretty much this. And also we are giving it the image, so it can look at the image as well to further make the prompt more inclined towards the product. So yeah, that's what we do. So now we are going to add the image module. So yeah, this one, edit image. So we have our GPT image 1 API over here, and let's select our image. So we already have it mapped over here, and let's add something to this prompt. So let's write this, and so whatever the result this prompt generator gives, we are going to put it over here. So we are gonna select the result and hit on save. So we are done with this part. Now it's time to add our Google Drive. So over here we can create a folder where we can save the generated image. So let's look at where it is present. Yeah, upload a file. Yeah, that's what we are going to use. I think this one is for my account. Let's see. Yeah, so I've already created a folder before, so I'm gonna be putting this generated image over here. So yeah, we are going to select the file as this one, because yeah, the output is also like I don't know, it's a hex file. So it generates some kind of hex file, so we have to like encode it. Then yeah, pretty much we are done with the system. So it's time to test it out and let's see what kind of result it gives. Let me see what's the problem over here. Okay, I mean, yeah, it's cool. Now let's run this and let's go to our form and let's fill the form once again. Let's type in the product. It's perfume, product title as Mahal. Upload the image. We have this. We can try with other images as well, but I mean, yeah, why not try with this one? Let's go with this one this time. Uploaded it, so let's do it luxury. Okay, we have our image. Let's do it luxury, and the aspect ratio, well, I mean, let's create it as 16:9, and let's describe the product. It's a brand new perfume which we named it as Mahal. It has a very citrusy smell. Okay, so let's see what it generates. Let's hit on submit and hope that everything is good. Okay, it's gonna take some time to write the prompt for the image API. Okay, what it has written: luxury citrus inspired scents. Like if we further go down and describe the product a bit more in detail, then we'll get some even better result. But yeah, let's see what it generates. It's running. Yeah, one thing about this is it takes a bit of time, but yeah, the result is pretty good. So also, like, a fact about this is trained on both image and text pairs, so that's why it's able to generate some good images, and also it does really well with text as well. So let's wait and wait. Alright, this one is done and it's uploaded over here. Let's see how good it performed. I mean, come on. Like, I didn't even expect this to be this good. Like it's very hard to like even say that it's AI generated. I mean, like, this just looks amazing. I'm pretty surprised. And yeah, I mean, the last thing which we have to do, I mean, which is good to do, is to store the prompt as well as the image in one row. I will tell you like why I am doing this. So let's quickly create a sheet. Okay, we are inside sheets. Let's create a new sheet. So here you go, guys. So I've created this sheet. So let me put the module over here for the sheet, and I will explain you very soon why I've created this. So update, add a row, and this we are going to select. I'm gonna add my profile for the first time. So yeah, okay, we have added our profile. I'm gonna select the path. Yeah, drive, choose a file. Okay, yeah, it's this one, the sheet. Okay, so let's map it quickly. We have the product name, title, then we have image URL from here, then we got the marketing asset. Okay, Sorry, it's over here. Yeah, so we are going to select this, the prompt from this one. So this is the prompt, and the theme, well, the theme was luxury. Yeah, this one. We can hit save, and let's run once again. Run once. Okay, so this time we are going to select something different. I think I have an image of a watch. Okay, this one. So in product, we are going to select, it's a watch. Product title, what should we name it? Yeah, it's rose gold. So yeah, let's name it as rose. So I think this is the right E for the rose. I don't know, but yeah. Then we have luxury. Then let's select a different aspect ratio. Let's select this one. Let's describe the product. So rose gold watch for women. Okay, let's not select luxury. I mean, why not we select minimalist? And let's run this. Let's see what result we get. Okay, so the form has been filled. So as you can see, this is the prompt which we got. Let's go to the asset. Wow, it looks amazing. Like as you can see, it's really good. Okay, so yeah, I mean, going back to this one, so we have this prompt. So the reason why I've created this sheet is very simple, to basically save this prompt, and you can copy this prompt, and if you want a different type of like product image, then you can repurpose this prompt and ask ChatGPT to modify this prompt so that you can like create a different version of this like this product image, or you can like simply have a different product, and you can like simply copy this prompt and you will get something similar to this. Okay, so for those people who don't know how I created this connection, well, basically you have to click on add, and you have to simply go to OpenAI platform. Over there you just have to click on the settings button. It will take you to this page. Go to general and grab your organization ID, and also make sure that your account is verified. Then you have to go to billing and check whether you have enough credits. Next thing is the API key. So you have to click this one and create your own API key. So you can give it any name and just create it, and make sure you save it in a safe place, because once it's gone, then you cannot go back and see your API keys. So yeah, once you're done with that, you just have to paste your organization ID over here and then your API key, and just have to hit save, and that's all. That's how you create the connection. Alright, that is for today, guys. So I hope you like this automation, and this is useful. So I can see a lot of like creators or people who have like ecom business, they can use this automation to generate images without like hiring people, or if they have a low budget. So I will share this scenario as well as the prompt in the description, so you can check it out. You can try building it or modifying it and experiment however you want. So thank you.